Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen, where sometimes we keep it keto, sometimes we keep it low carb, but we always keep it delicious. Now, in my last video, we made some keto-friendly burger rolls. But what good's a burger roll without the burger? So in this video, we're going to make a quick, easy burger recipe. We're going to do it in the air fryer, and we're going to be throwing on that roll and having ourselves a delicious burger. So let's get at it. Okay, guys, like I said, this is a quick and simple recipe, but it is delicious. So let me show you what we got going on here. We've got 1 pound of ground beef. We've got half of a teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. We got half a tablespoon of garlic powder and half a tablespoon of smoked paprika. And over there, we got an egg for the binder. So we're going to go ahead and get this mixed up and get it onto the air fryer. Because I have some OCD issues, I like to make sure that my burger is the same size as my bun after it's cooked. So I'm going to form up 4 patties that are going to be slightly larger than the rolls I'm using, so that when I cook them up and they shrink, they fit perfectly in the roll. And there you go, 4 perfectly formed patties. Oh yeah. Okay, so I've taken 2 of the patties and put them into the air fryer basket, and I took the other 2 patties and separated them with some parchment paper. They're going to go into a Ziploc bag and into the freezer to enjoy it another time. The burgers are ready to go into the air fryer, and what we're going to do is we're going to cook these for 12 minutes at 370 degrees. We're going to check them at 6 minutes and flip them over, and then cook them for another 5 or 6 minutes to finish them off. So let's get it going. Alexa, set the air fryer to 12 minutes for 370 degrees.
Air frying for 12 minutes at 370 degrees.
See you in 6 minutes. We're 6 minutes in. The burgers are looking great. We're going to go ahead and flip them over, cook them for about another 4 more minutes, then put on a slice of cheese and finish it up for the last minute. While the burgers are cooking, I went ahead and cut up some red onion, some vine ripe tomatoes, some dill pickle chips. I made up some sauce with some ketchup, Dijon mustard, and mayonnaise. And we got our 2 buns. We're just waiting on the burgers. Can't wait. Have a look at that, guys. It is a thing of beauty. Are you ready? I'm ready. All right, guys. So my buddy Al's coming over, and he thinks that tonight all I'm doing is some wings. So he's going to be in for a nice surprise. We've got the wings going. We've got a nice salad. We've got the carrots and celery. We've got the blue cheese. Oh yeah, baby. It's going to be an epic meal. We're going to go ahead. We're going to get the camera set up, get Al's reaction. Okay, so my buddy Al just called. He just pulled up into the driveway, and we're going to get his reaction to the spread. So we'll just sit tight, wait for Al to come through the door. There he is, my man.
You got it. Look at this spread over here.
Got a little GNR going for you?
You know, good way to do it.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
All right, Joe, grab the mic. Thanks for the invitation.
Here, I feel privileged.
Mic up, buddy.
I got my mic on right now, my glass of water, and I feel privileged to be here today enjoying some specials. So
You didn't know this was going to happen.
I didn't know. I had no clue.
So this is my brother from another mother, Al. If you're looking to buy or sell a house in South Florida, this is the man you want to talk to. But enough of that. Let's talk about what's going on here at the table.
Yeah. This is the real estate we're going to talk about today.
We're going to talk about a little real estate.
So what do we have? Tell me.
Okay, so what I did, Al, is I went and I made a keto-friendly burger bun. I just dropped a video on YouTube and Facebook featuring the bun, but what good's the bun without the burger? So I figured let me make a burger, do that up, I made our wings, 5 of my salt and citrus, 5 of the sweet and spicy barbecue.
Sweet and spicy barbecue.
Got the salad the way you like it.
Yeah.
We got a little bit of carrot, celery, dippity-doo.
You got the ranch here.
We got the ranch.
Ranch.
Only because I don't have blue cheese.
Blue cheese. No, I know. And I like ranch is delicious with this.
And a
this
little
is
side of
little
barbecue sauce, just in case you want to dip a little bit of that stuff in.
So how do you get the glaze on that bun like that?
That is an egg wash. So you brush it with a little bit of egg, sprinkle a little bit of sesame on there, and that gets that nice glossy.
Okay. It looks professional.
Look.
Frank, I don't know if you can appreciate it in the video, but
I don't want to go as far as to call myself a professional, but I'm definitely an enthusiast.
I'm telling you, that is professional. So I love it. So excellent. I did not know you were going to set this up.
I know you didn't, and that's why I wanted to kind of get your reaction coming in, because I know you were just expecting a few wings, maybe a salad. I said, let me spring this on Brother Al.
This is unbelievable.
So I want you to have a bite of that burger and give me your...
So would it be fine if we cut it? Let's
You go ahead and cut that thing in half.
Let's do a little, so we can know the texture of the bread feels really soft, and it feels toasted. You toasted it, right?
It's not toasted, actually.
Wow. So how does it get that texture like that? It feels.
It's just the way it comes out. I'm going to tell you what that bun's made of. You're going to be kind of surprised.
So this is right here. I don't know if you can appreciate it. I'm going to take a bite.
Go ahead, bring it up to the camera and show the audience.
Let's see. Take a look at this. This is, now we got the cheese, the bun, and I see actually tomatoes and onions as well.
I did it up right.
This looks delicious.
And it's even got my own sauce. So that burger bun is made from mozzarella cheese, cream cheese, and almond flour. So it is clean keto friendly. You know, I'm not like a clean keto and everything's got to be clean.
Right,
you know, I'll go
no, keto's been big in your life.
But that is a clean keto bun, and it is rather tasty. I'm going to be honest, a really good restaurant burger bun is better. But for what that is, it's a good bun. Dig in. I'm going to dig in with you. I know what he's going to say. It begins with S.
This is delicious. Stupid.
There it is. When I do something good, Al tells me it's stupid. You guys did a real estate video the other day. He said, Joe, that video is stupid. Sent up some photos. Joe, them photos are stupid.
This is just...
When he bit into that burger and said it was stupid.
Whoa, Brother Joe, this is unbelievable.
That's what I'm talking about.
Stupid next level. Let me tell you something about it. First of all, the bread feels like it's toasted. It has this sort of like texture that is like...
It's a dense bun. It's not a light and fluffy bun.
Right.
It's a dense bun.
And I see that you put sesame on it.
I put sesame seed on it. It almost has the density of a pretzel roll. Have you ever had a pretzel bun?
Right, that's what
it's got the density of a pretzel bun.
Wow.
And with the burger and all the stuff, you cannot taste the cheese. Now, when I did my video earlier,
unbelievable.
I just tasted the bun itself. You can taste a little bit of the mozzarella when you eat it just as a raw bun.
You see?
But when you have it with all the fixings on it, you can't taste that cheese. It's a really good bun.
Let me see what you're talking about. I've never had a bun like this, Joe, ever. I've never had a bun made of non-flour, you know.
Your typical bread flour, white flour, all-purpose flour. This is almond flour.
You know what I like about it, too? It tastes fresh. It tastes like this was just made. It's got a...
it actually was.
It tastes like it was literally just freshly, even the bread, like it was just made. You just make the bread as well?
I made the bread earlier today, and actually there's a video, guys. Check out the video for the bread if you haven't seen it already.
Put the link below this video, I think.
Yeah, we will.
Because I personally want to try to make this bread myself. I'm big on having no starches, no bread, no rice.
And that's why when I made this burger, I was thinking, you know what? He ain't gonna eat this burger with a regular bun.
No, I wouldn't. But this is unbelievable.
That is 2 net carbs in that bun.
Great song, by the way.
There we go. We got set in the mood.
Wow.
And I don't want to rush into that, but you remember the last batch of wings I made?
Mhm.
We had some feedback. We thought they
Wow.
were good, but we needed to change
you,
them
man.
up. So why don't you change? That is my salt and citrus wing on the flats, barbecue on the drums. So why don't we give it a try?
Which one do you think I should try first?
Try,
This
try.
one?
You know what the barbecue is going to taste like.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let's see what we got here.
And I did not try one of these wings. I resist it. It's not overpowering with the salt like the last one.
Right.
It's got just enough salt, just enough citrus.
The citrus in it, I like it this time even more. You feel it when you bite into it. You feel that zesty.
You got that bite, that lemony bite. So yeah, that's actually a 50 mixture of citric acid
This is really
and kosher
delicious.
salt.
These are really good.
I kind of wish I just did them all this way, but I had to make some barbecue wings for you. You know what I'm saying?
Whoa, no, I think sometimes this would have been a rule that could have been broken. This is really good. Yo.
All right, guys. Well, listen, we're going to enjoy the rest of this meal, and I'll catch up with you in a little bit. Okay, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope you get a chance to make this recipe in your kitchen. If you're looking for a guilt-free burger, that's the way to go. Catch you on the next one.